Hey friends, if you wish to kill or terminate Microsoft Store apps in Windows, then please watch this video. This doesn't work for all apps, but many apps and definitely for Microsoft Store apps. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select Installed Apps. Now find an app that has been installed through Microsoft Store. Any app that is problematic for you. Select Advanced Options. Scroll down, there's an option called Terminate. Click on Terminate to terminate this app. Now I'll tell you what this app does. Terminating the app does. It is similar to killing the process through the task manager. It's just that this method is easier. Another option is that, let us say you wanted to kill this app, so search for it in the Windows search bar, click on App Settings and you reach the same page. Scroll down and click on Terminate. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.